Oh,
that won't be biased.
why didn't I go turbo?
Wow.
Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate, and welcome to our first Subaru on the channel.
Oh, what a Subaru to feature.
Yeah, I mean, we always like to find good examples of a car, and my God, that's what we've got. So let's get stuck in.
Let's do it.
In my mind.
So Gav's Subaru Impreza started off as a silver WRX. As you can see, it's no longer silver.
It's nowhere near.
So it's had a full forged closed deck engine.
So much we've actually had to write it down.
Yeah. So it's also running 750cc injectors.
Oh.
It has a Garrett GT30 turbo, front mount intercooler.
Oh, okay.
It's got an STI 6-speed gearbox, carbon prop shaft.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Anything carbon, yeah,
Exactly,
we like
yeah. Group N engine and gearbox mounts.
that. Okay.
BC racing coilovers as well.
Oh, so it's been done. I mean,
Yes.
fair play to it. It's been done properly.
I've
And
really spent the money on
you
it.
can tell just by looking around at the car. This, I mean, it's a hell of a spec list. And he did say it was dynoed at around 450 brake horsepower. So I'm looking forward to this. This
Yeah,
is going to
this
be
should
good.
be something special.
So yeah, I think let's go for a drive, shall
Yeah,
we?
let's do it. Yeah.
Oh my God. Guys, it feels like it's on rails. Right, so first of all, guys, we are out on the road in Gav's Subaru. First of all, I just want to say a massive thank you to Gav for bringing the car down to us. Just from being inside, there's something about 90s Jap. I know this is like early 2000s, but this era of Japanese cars just makes me happy. And they're usually pretty bland. That's the only thing with the Japanese cars. But what Gav has done, what you've done to this interior, man, is you've just transformed it. So obviously we've got the flock dash. I mean, you've got the seats just blew me away. They are, I mean, it's all just done so well. And I was expecting, you know, because the car's really low, I was expecting it to be I'm very impressed with the ride, and I can't wait till we get to some open roads where we can really see what she's got. Oh, some burns, that's lovely. That was our first hoon, and I really wasn't expecting to be that impressed with this car, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but I honestly felt like it wasn't even trying then. I mean, like I said before, these are not the best roads. I think we even got air at one point because we had a bit of a spin, but this amount of power and what you've done, wow, it was built for these kind of roads.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
it just, at no point did I think, oh my God, like, I had complete confidence in you, I had confidence in the car. I mean, what you've built here, fair play. It is our turn. I'm so excited for this. Again, unfortunately, even when you had your Scooby, I don't think I ever drove it. I never got the chance.
Probably I was off the road more than I was on.
Well, yeah, as Subarus do. Don't worry, touch wood. So I can't wait for you to experience it because it feels just, it's so well done. And I didn't realise at the time he tracks it, because I said to him, I was like, oh, that's a nice show car, but he was no, he actually,
yeah,
you know,
he
does drive
when I was
it.
talking to him earlier, he was saying he taken it a few times.
Yeah. God, just sat low.
Yeah, you are, aren't you? Like I said, with the Evo, because of the seat frame, obviously the standard seats.
Yeah,
You're pretty high.
Yeah, you just feel, and to say the word's going to come out again, but you feel already. I feel so connected. You get so much feedback.
They're brilliant cars, you know. I've always been a big fan of these.
Yours, didn't you?
I absolutely love my Impreza.
Just makes me happy. Do you know what they say? This era of Jap cars just.
This is what it was all about, though. This is when they were there. You know, all the icon cars were out. You know.
Yeah. Okay, let's give it a bit of a second gear pull. We'll have it nothing, and then boom.
Nice.
It just pulls so nice.
See, it's all up in the rev range as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Because even Gav said, he's like, oh, you know, there's a bit of lag. It's like I quite like it. That's what makes it more dramatic.
There's a big boost though, isn't it? Don't have it.
Yeah, and that's
big bit of boost.
It feels like it's mapped well, but it does. I mean, the boost kicks you hard.
It really does, yeah.
Oh my god!
See, sounds
brakes are
amazing.
very confidence-inspiring as well.
That's good. He said he's running the same brakes as me.
Oh really?
He thinks, yeah, he's
God,
pretty sure they're MTX, so yeah.
It's literally nothing until like 4.5. Oh my god, yes.
That sounds amazing. That pull.
It pulls real hard.
Exactly. It doesn't seem to slacken off. It's just
no, you're right.
I said, yeah, okay, it might be laggy at the beginning, but
yeah,
8.5, hold on.
It just feels absolutely planted, even on these terrible roads.
Yeah, these roads are shocking.
Yeah. But even just, I mean, I've been driving it a couple of minutes and it's just given me. Now, Gav did say it gives you a bit too much confidence sometimes, so I'm not going to push it.
Yeah. He's smiling.
It's amazing. It's such a good car.
I really do. I've never been really a big fan of the Blobeye.
I haven't. That's why I was so curious to do this video.
Yeah, it's changed my mind. It really has.
I mean, I say just from driving it from a couple of minutes there, I'm just like, I want a turbo. Why didn't I go turbo?
I did tell you. It feels like it's got a bigger. I don't want a bigger engine. I want something to go bang. You know?
Well, I think it's time you had to go, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah, let's do it. I imagine this is going to bring back some memories for you.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Yeah. I genuinely think it's a good example of an Impreza.
I just love the seating position. I make it really low in it.
I know. It does feel like a race car, doesn't it?
Yeah. The gearbox is really tight. Obviously, the Evo, which is quite slick. A little bit more sloppy than this, to be honest.
Oh. Yeah, because this is obviously coming from an Evo owner.
Yeah.
I know you've owned the classic Scooby before, but I mean it was a while ago. So I'm interested to see your views.
Yeah.
Try and be honest.
I will. I won't be biased.
Yeah. But I do like the gearbox feels nice and notchy.
Yeah, that's why I actually missed third.
Yeah.
But it's a lot tighter. It feels new.
But you think everything feels tight? I mean, he's done it really well.
Wow. It goes really, really well, doesn't it? Wow. Yeah, I know I'm a bit lost for words. I'm just trying to. Obviously, I'm comparing it to my Evo.
Yeah.
Because they are of the same era.
Yeah. I know. Come on, there's a rivalry.
Yeah, there is a big rivalry. One thing I will say is the Evo kicks a lot earlier.
Yes. Do you think that's down to the turbo, maybe?
Possibly, yeah. I know these engines do rev slightly because it's a boxer.
Yes.
So yeah, you've really got to wring the neck out of it a bit more than the Evo.
Yeah.
The gearbox feels better than the Evo.
Ooh. Nice. I appreciate the honesty. Yeah, it does.
Well, you know, I'm just like evil. No, honestly, you know, I do try and be honest with things.
Yeah.
The steering's a little bit looser than the Evo.
Is it?
Yeah.
I just thought I haven't driven the Evo yet, so I don't actually know, because it's...
The rack on the Evo is so quick.
Oh, okay.
You know, this is probably better for daily driving.
Yes.
Like with the Evo, honestly, that input there, and I'd be facing the barrier.
Right, okay.
It's really, really sharp.
Yeah. There's a reason I haven't driven the Evo yet, but that'll be in a video to come.
Right, so... Wow, that... Oh, steering.
Yeah.
I thought I actually left a bigger gap than that. But...
Yeah, we caught up rather quickly then.
Yeah. This is really, really impressive. The way he set it up, like you said, it's really confidence inspiring.
Yeah.
But once again, you get a lot of feedback.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You can feel everything that this car's going to do, and there's no drama whatsoever.
Yep. And that's one thing, like we both say, is lost in newer cars. I feel there's so much assistance, you
and
lose
they're boring
the feel
to drive.
Yeah.
That's the thing. This, you can feel everything's mechanical.
Yeah.
It might not be, but it feels mechanical.
Yeah, definitely.
Like I said, the turning is not, the rack's not as quick. That's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
It really isn't.
Yeah. Because I think you feel you know what it's going to do.
Yeah. Like I said, even a little tickle on the boost.
Yeah.
It's enough, and it just makes you want to do it more.
Because you know, Gav basically uses it as a weekend toy, Sunday dry, and tracks it every now and then. And I think for that, it's brilliant.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Put it this way, I would not be disappointed whatsoever if I got rid of the Evo and had this.
Wow, that's a big compliment. Big thanks to Gav. I mean, this is what a good day.
Thank you.
The Subaru Impreza. This again, this is, I seem to say with a lot of cars, but this has really made an impression on me, and
Every video.
it does. They turn me into a child. I am.
Not that I'm saying it's not a bad thing.
Yeah, but this car gives me almost Need for Speed vibes in a good way. Yeah. Like, you know, with body kits, I mean, you got the canards, the wild colour. But it's done. Go on.
Sorry, that's what this generation is missing.
Absolutely. Yeah, you just don't get it anymore. So I just want to like a massive hat off to Gav for building such a machine. Coming from an Evo owner, what's your verdict?
I love it.
Yeah.
I like I said in the car, I wouldn't be disappointed if I sold the Evo and bought one of these.
That's
or the other way around. You know?
Yeah.
I think the rivalry is a good thing.
It's good when it's a friendly rival, like because you jumped in and you were like, the Evo's better this way, Scooby's better this way. You love both cars. It's when people.
But I'm a car enthusiast. I'm not.
That's the difference.
You know, I'm not really biased. You know?
Yeah. So anyway, before we ramble on anymore, but that's what I love about these sort of cars. They bring up a debate. Yeah. So obviously we want to say a massive thank you to Gav bringing the car down to it, and again just encouraging us to say, yeah, go on, go and have some fun, you know, see what it's all about.
Yeah.
So we are always so grateful. But I think that'll do it for this week. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you
in the next one.
Yeah, this car doesn't suck.